9 6 54, anyone, that is 27. Next, a cubed plus b cubed, a cubed plus b cubed equal to 27 minus 54. So a cubed plus b cubed, we get minus 27, minus 27. 3 cubed 9, 3 6 18, 18 54, 97. So a cubed plus b cubed plus 3 6 18, 18 54, 27. A cubed plus b cubed 27 plus change minus 54. A cubed plus b cubed equal to minus 27. Minus 27 here not. So option is no option. So given a plus b equal to 3, ab equal to 6, then a cubed plus b cubed equal to dash. So a equal to 5, b equal to minus 27, c equal to 35, d equal to 125. A plus b equal to 3, ab equal to 6. So we get answer a cubed plus b cubed. The given function also cubing on both sides. A plus b whole cubed equal to 3 cubed. A plus b whole cubed formula, a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab into a plus b. Next, 3 cubed means 3 into 3 into 3, 3 times multiplication, we get 27. A cubed plus b cubed plus 3 into ab given 6, a plus b given 3 equal 27. A cubed plus b cubed, 3 6 18, 18 3 54 equal 27. A cubed plus b cubed equal to 27 plus 54 will be changed minus 54. A cubed plus b cubed to 54 minus 27. That means R 27 minus 15. Generally big numbers subtraction from big number. So 54 minus 27, that means 27. Big number has minus 27. The answer will be minus 27. Minus 27 is the answer.